If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are adjusted properly. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser or the Facebook app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page or the menu icon in the app. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security and Login. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Security and Login. This section contains all the security settings related to your account. Step 4. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. Here, you will see the current status of your two-factor authentication and options to manage it. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Click on Edit next to use two-factor authentication. You will see an option to turn it off. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice and disable the feature. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Facebook account. Remember to review your security settings regularly to keep your account safe.